Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. Right now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer, this circle icon kind of. After tapping on it we can see that we've got a 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds, just tap on the option you want to use, and as you can see the icon will change slightly. It will be also highlighted in this yellowish orangish color, so you can be sure that you've got the timer set. All we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and it will work the same with all other options, so 5 and 3 seconds delay. If you want to, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon on the left. As you can see it is applied, so we can tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will take photos right after tapping on it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.